basically the theory is what we call as content language integration learning. That is, we learn the lesson. That's number one, to help you and to help your students understand the lesson. And we integrate at the same time English language. So the English language is number two. And first thing is to help your student understand. Right, similar or different. I am Pak Rohani, married to Ibu Yunita. Okay, my children would look similar to me or to Bu Yunita?
I think it's intermediate on your
Oh, right.
intermediate.
Intermediate. So partly look like me and partly look like Bu Yunita. Cannot be exactly different from me and from Bu Yunita. Should look similar, yeah? That's why the genetic thing of your lesson. The moral of the lesson is students have to understand that we inherit characteristics from our parents. Either that is for something very serious. Maybe my ears exactly look like the ears of my father. My nose maybe exactly look like the nose of my father. But can somebody's nose look like the nose of his neighbor? Yes, maybe.
His parents bring the from grandma or grandpa.
That's right.
So we call it recessive. Recessive can be look on the next generation.
Right.
Next on the next.
Not the direct generation. It's not like father to son, but father to grandpa. Yeah. Right. That's very interesting lesson. Very interesting. So the picture that you give, it's very helpful, colorful. The cartoon choice, I believe, is the best choice, because if you, for example, have and also the picture, but the picture is somebody else outside of the class. That is not to humiliate somebody else in the class. That is good choice always. Everybody's lesson in this morning is very important. The equation is something of my favorite when I was in the class.
That's not my student. For my student.
Right. Equation that is to change everyday problem to mathematical model is always vital. Your student have to understand that whatever they want to be, finally at some stage they will have to face equation. Can be an engineer, can be an artist, even an artist. For example, I have a little project. I haven't finished yet. This is a soundproof project. Actually, I'm installing this. I haven't finished yet. On progress. Actually, we can do equation here with the lambda. See the how I can block the noise. And last week I invited Bu Yunita to this room, and I was in that room over there, and then I play some song, and then I said to her how many percent is the reduce of the sounds from this room compared to the other room. So that is always equation. Students have to love equation from the beginning. And I was at the back, and wow, the mathematics teacher is so cool, present the equation. Me and you equals there. Yeah. The next mathematics lesson is algebra. Yeah? Algebraic. From the word algebra is the noun, and the adjective is algebraic. Yes, and this is from Arabic Al-Jabar. Indonesian language borrows the words into Al-Jabar. Yeah, Al-Jabar, related to plus, minus, equals, and very interesting. The integration of technology. Yeah, quizzes for solving the problem of algebra. That is very interesting. And also the follow up is very important. Yeah? You give a follow up like the confirmation from the teacher. Sometimes we are happy with the quizzes, got the score, you're the winner, and we jump just too quickly to the next activity. But you did better because you give a confirmation. Let's check the answer. Why your answer? And I think the students were very clever. Yeah.
I'm not anything.
All right. All right. Okay. You play a role. Okay. You play a role. You play a role. The lesson on simple mesin. Simple mesin in bahasa Indonesia is pesawat sederhana. See, long time ago when I first started teaching, it's not simple plane, but simple machines. Yes, very good. Yeah, the pictures over here are all very useful. Your own pictures, or you compile the pictures? All right, so you compile, yeah, you compiled, but that was very useful, easy to understand, and the idea that level 1, level 2, level 3 of the simple planes for me is very meaningful. From even scissors, yeah, scissors is also a simple machine because you can understand the parts of it. My point of attention is the efforts. Where is the effort? Leverage is a good idea for your student to understand from the beginning. If I have a big wheel car and the real one, big one, how can I ever move this? That is with leverage. Yeah, leverage, hydraulic leverage, right? Good. So once again, I was very happy at the back to look at you doing that job, and I hope when you go back to Mardi Rahayu, you carry out this teaching again with your real students, and let Pak Thomas come again, yeah, in the room to compare here and the real class. I believe both of them would be just great. Interesting, useful, very contextual. Contextual is important. I mean, mathematics, for example, is a very important tool for any science. Yes. You cannot do any science, engineering without mathematics. Even if you do humanity, you still have to play with mathematics. Yeah? So mathematics is the gate of science. When students say, I don't like mathematics, and you can say it's like love. Whether you like it or not, you have to love it at the end. Right? Can be complicated. Now, we have to implant the love of mathematics to our students. Mathematics can be complicated, but is achievable and approachable through the contextualization. Your contextualization is great. Yeah, contextualization means you bring the real world to the classroom, so the students can have a clear idea of what I am learning at this moment. I am learning subtraction and addition and multiplication. I'm learning equation. I am learning. That's mathematics in context. Pictures that you brought to the class were very useful to help your student understand. It's not only always two eggs, but two apples. Yeah, it's not always something plus something, but a real thing plus a real thing. Okay. Maybe in the next sequence of the lesson, Miss Vivi can come up with the class with a case of bayi yang tertukar, right? Yes, because of characteristic inheritance, right? Right. So that's always contextualization is always useful, and you come up with very good ideas. Some little language notes is always useful for you to pay attention. For especially words that you repeat many times. Yeah. The good news is that our bilingual class is in Ungaran. The good news, yeah. Ungaran is part of USA, right? Okay, Ungaran, Salatiga, Ambarawa, right? But the Ungaran USA is that your students speak Indonesian. You speak Indonesian, and when we use bilingual context in this case, your student can help you. You don't need to worry much. Even if, for example, we mispronounce a word, maybe your students will smile. Okay? Will smile in the context that they understand. That's what I mean. All right. Okay. Once again I give appreciation to the visual aids, contextualization, and then the ongoing exercise is very useful. You give them a worksheet like this. The worksheet is useful. It's better to have a concept exercise, concept exercise, and not to build up the exercise at the end. Because if you build up with the exercise at the end, maybe it's too much. So a little exercise, little exercise, little exercise. So it gives a feeling of achievement. I can. Okay. Right. The ice breaking is always useful, yeah. When we ice break, can be with your musical touch. Why not? Yeah. And if it is in Bahasa Indonesia, no problem. If it is the only available, and then later you can provide students with the English version, or you make it yourself with the Indonesian version. Do you play guitar? No, I know you don't play guitar, but you play piano, right? If you don't play guitar and you don't play piano either, I know that you play seruling, the flute, right? Okay. The integration of technology is always useful because today's students have technology at their hand. I give you a little notes of the language. Pronunciation, Miss Nani was correct to say pay attention to the pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way we say the language. Yeah, pronunciation. 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 This is noun. The verb is to. This one. Pronounce. Okay. To pronounce. This one is pronunciation. To pronounce. To pronounce is the another word to say. Say is everyday language. This one is technical language. How to say it. Munine piye. That's how to say it. How to pronounce it. What is the pronunciation? What is the pronunciation? Okay. Yes, pronunciation. Very vital words, something that we repeat many times in our mathematics lesson is this notation, yeah? The notation of this, and then this, and then this, and then this, okay? This one? plus, okay, plus ya, plus, and sorry, this is cross, not plus. Plus is like this, plus minus, yes, yes. So you can say this one, x is divided by, okay, x is divided by y, okay, and this one is times or multiplied, okay, x is multiplied by y, this one equals, yeah. If you say it in a sentence, then you usually you put an s. So x is multiplied by y, or without this, x multiplied by y equals, yes, equals y. Okay, 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Okay, let's say this equation, everybody. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. And let's use times. 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus, yeah, minus, plus, minus, okay. How to determine the value of x? How do you say this? Okay, listen and repeat after me. Determine. 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 Yes, it's your computer, yeah? Okay. Determine. Determine. Yeah. You can use Oxford Dictionary to help you check the pronunciation. Now we are at the page of Oxford Learner's Dictionary. Input. Do you click something to send the picture from here? Is this your computer? This is the page. Oxford Dictionary is the keyword here. This is the entry, the dictionary entry. This is how you write it down. In other words, that is the spelling. This is the spelling of the word. This is the parts of speech, whether the word is a noun or verb or pronoun, part of speech. This is the level of the word, B1, A1, A2, B1. This is the level of the word. Here is a link, a different link. Okay. Here. Yes, this is how to say it, the pronunciation. Okay. This is the pronunciation. This is called the phonetic transcription. The phonetic transcription is how you say it. I have sent to you in your Telegram group the key of phonetic symbols. Key of phonetic symbol. Okay, everybody. How do you read this? This one. Yeah, this is E. Phonetic transcription is the symbol of the sound. English is non-phonetic language. Non-phonetic language is the spelling and the pronunciation does not correlate directly. So if you check the pronunciation, you'd better check the phonetic. This is short A. This is long A. This one is short A. This one is stress. Da. This one D. This one T. This one Min. Determine. Okay, once again, how do you say this? Determine. Right, once again, everybody, how do you say this? Determine. The same. This is British English, this is American English. It's the same. Okay, American English is with R. Determine. Right? Determine. Okay, before you join my class in Ungaran, you say when you say determine, do you think your student understand you? Yes. But it's USA, Ungaran, all right? Now I bring you to USA, the American world, okay? Determine. Yeah, this is short A. Determine. How to determine. So if someone come to me in Kampung Inggris, Pak Rohani, saya mau kursus bahasa Inggris. Oke, silakan. Tapi jangan saya beri level yang rendah. Kenapa? Karena bahasa Inggris saya sudah bagus. Oke, coba baca. Baca ini ya, satu aja. Kalau lulus, boleh level 2 langsung. Oke? Langsung bacanya determine. Nah. Determine. Ya, determine. Ya, determine. This one. Yeah. Determine. See, very easy to learn today because your teacher from Oxford can help you the whole night. Yeah? You can do it. See, you can listen and repeat. Okay? Determine. Okay? Determine. So, Miss, how do you say that word? Yes. Yang masih bilang determine itu belum melalui pertobatan. Dia masih suka jadi pendosa terus. Yang sudah determine itu sudah tobat. Sudah mengakui dosanya. Okay, so that is the beauty of English, ya. Keindahan bahasa Inggris itu karena bahasa Inggris itu kacau, tulisannya sama ucapnya tidak sama. Udah kacau internasional lagi gitu ya. Yeah. How to determine the value of A? Yeah, right. Good. Plus and then minus and then algebra. Yes, the simple plane, ya. Simple plane, simple machine. Simple machine, ya. Simple machine. Machine. Simple machine. This one. There must be a lot of photo on simple machine. This one. Simple machines have something very, very important. If I type here simple machine, you'll find something here. Okay. What? Load. How do you say this? How do you say this? From today, you will always be in doubt until you open Oxford Dictionary. Yeah. Dan ini apa? You check here. Okay. How do you say this? Yeah. There are two ways of saying this. Two ways. This is short u. Short u. This is You can say it fulcrum. Or a. This one is short a. This is fulcrum. Fulcrum or fulcrum. Which one do you choose? Fulcrum. This way fulcrum. Okay, fulcrum. This is fulcrum. Both of them are okay. You can say fulcrum or fulcrum. Short distance, fulcrum. Longer distance, zip. Let's go to Oxford, okay? Okay, Oxford. Okay. This one is This is So how do you say that? How do you say that? Yeah?
Effort.
What's again?
Effort.
Oh, yeah. Before you come to my class? Effort tuh kalau jalannya licin ya toh, mobilnya bisa effort ya toh. Ternyata apa? Apa? Stress ya? Effort. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. This is a simple machine in which you have a load. The load mengangkat. What is mengangkat? lift, 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 yeah, lift, lift, push, lift. The effort pushes the load, and here the load lifts up, munggah, lifts up. Here we have the fulcrum. What is in bahasa Indonesia, Ibu? Titik tumbuh. Fulcrum. 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 Effort. Fulcrum. Both of them okay. You say fulcrum or fulcrum, okay. Yeah, both of them, right? But this one is lovely. Yeah.
Effort. 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 Effort.
Okay.
Effort.
Wow. And you have the MA, yeah? MA, yeah? What is MA? Mechanical advantage. Advantage. Mechanical advantage. Okay. Mechanical advantage. 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 Many things you have done well, only little to polish. You have done great job. Excellent. Pak Thomas, biar komentar juga. Moga Pak Thomas ini. Di syuting ya, di syuting. Oh yes. Yes, yes. Pak Thomas, please say something, Pak Thomas.
Very good.
Oh yeah, I will help you translate. So, what do you think is the micro teaching? Yes. Yeah, that's the thing that we appreciate at this moment. Good. Yes. Excuse me. Yes. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Saya pengen beli ini.
Oh yeah. Why not? Yes. Yes.
Terima kasih Pak Rohani. Teman-teman sudah menyelesaikan program ini dan sangat bagus. Ada peningkatan kompetensi dari soal pengucapan dan macam-macamnya. Juga kami mengharapkan tahun depan supaya kita bertobat lagi datang ke sini.
Termasuk Pak Thomas.
Jangan tertinggal jauh nanti ya. Moga-moga tahun depan nanti bisa kembali ke sini untuk teman-teman yang mengajar sains dan matematik, karena memang ini menjadi unggulan sekolah kami dan kami harus terus belajar. Maka kami bersyukur bisa datang ke sini dan kami mengharapkan kami yang datang ke sini karena kami sambil rekreasi begitu. Kalau kami datang ya, kalau kami yang didatangi nanti kami semakin boring gitu ya, semakin bosan begitu. Jadi kami ucapkan terima kasih Pak Rohani dan tim sehingga ini finish selesai. Moga-moga dapat kami praktekkan bersama dengan anak-anak kami yang pasti dengan kelas yang lebih menyenangkan begitu ya. Kami bercita-cita suatu saat nanti kelas-kelas kami akan ada ini ya itu ya. Ya sarana prasarana yang lebih baik. Oh iya. Terima kasih Ji. Demikian Pak Marwani yang dapat kami sampaikan. Terima kasih Ji.
Ya, Ibu silakan, Ibu juga.
Iya.
Silakan Bu. Silakan Bu. Yes. Everybody will have opportunity to speak. Ibu Christine, ya. So, Bu Christine, after you witness the micro teaching, you should have something to say about what we have done so far. Excuse me. There you go, Bu Christine.
Ini
aja ya Pak.
Speak English.
Yeah, thank you so much for Pak. So our friends can improve their English in this Kampung Inggris.
Yes.
Yeah, and I don't think that they can teach in English very good, very well. Yeah. It is because of Kampung Inggris. And we hope that they can use their English that they have learned in Kampung English in Marti Rahayu.
Thank you very much. So now everybody got the opportunity to speak, Miss. Right, Miss? Please come forward to reflect your experience while you were in this course.
No.
Thank you, Bu Isin. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for the kesempatan.
Opportunity.
Yes, opportunity. So I can for teaching with the English. Okay. My beberapa kata some blank. So this is because I'm nervous. Okay. Ya, pokoknya ini pengalaman yang benar-benar tidak bisa digantikan.
Yes,
dengan yang
unforgettable.
lain.
This is
Yes,
unforgettable. Yeah.
tidak bisa dibayangkan sebelumnya. Bisa belajar, bisa pro-teaching dengan bahasa Inggris dengan teman-teman yang mereka juga mendukung ya,
Yes,
mendukung.
they support you.
Yes, they support me to speak English well. If I wrong, Miss Ida, Miss Wiwi say the correct.
Right.
Yes. So it's wow.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks to Mr. Thomas for our opportunity for today, and especially for Mr. Rohani and Miss Yunita, and especially to Miss Nani. It's the first experience for me. Learn English for every Saturday. It's so hard for us, but we just do with heart. So Miss Nani said for us, but you look happy. It's a spirit for us. Though we have many texts, but we must learn in English. So thanks for our experience for today and for 2 months. 2 months. 2 months. Okay. Almost 2 months. If we make mistake or something that just sorry. Okay, I think it's enough, and thank you for all.
Thank you so much for Mr. Thomas that give us this course. Actually, I'll ask him to let course. Just now, before we have course with Solafit, Solafit. Many years ago, long time ago. But now we here and we are happy. Actually, I'm always happy. Di sini senang, di sana senang. Yeah, I always happy. And it's really improved my English in Poland, and I hope we can practice our English in class.
Right.
I told the younger. Actually, I'm older. I told the younger, don't worry to try. Just say it's mistake. It's okay. But sometimes, oh ma'am, no, like this. Don't worry. Just try. Just speak, and we will know what we have to miss. Thank you so much for all for for join this with us with Kampung English with Miss Rohani, Miss Nani, Miss Nita, and all and friend. Thank you.
I say thank you for Mr. Thomas and Mr. Rohani, Miss Meli, Miss Nita. I not speak English, but little. And then the first time kursus bahasa Inggris, but I hope practice in my class, pengalaman yang tak terlupakan. Okay, overall I say thank you for all. Okay. Very what we can say, yeah, I mean he comes here with you, mendampingi, menemani bapak ibu, ibu-ibu sekalian. I think that will give a great effect, yeah. That's why you're always happy, because Pak Thomas and Ibu Christine, sometimes Ibu Dita come here to be with you in the class, to go through the happiness and also the probably the hardship in improving the English and also practicing the how to teach in English. I really appreciate that one, Ibu Christine and Pak Thomas, for all the what is it, yeah, the teaching with heart, taking the course with heart also, and we're always happy to be with you every Saturday. And although this one is the last session, but hopefully we can always communicate together in the Telegram. So we don't close the Telegram. Every time you need to communicate with us in English, please do. You can say something, you can share the stories, or probably next time when you have the chances to teach the students in English, please share with us short videos, or probably your reflection, your feedback on your teaching. We will be very happy to listen or to hear from you, how you practice and apply the skills that you practice these whole 2 months. Thank you very much once again for the trust, and hopefully we can see again in the near future.
Thank you.
Let's do celebrate.